Okay, so let us do some answers to questions that I have received about Jamaican citizenship by descent. First question. Do I need the original birth certificate for the Jamaican parent? Yes. You cannot apply for citizenship without showing proof of birth, and the birth certificate does that. Next question. Do I need the original birth certificate for the Jamaican parent? Yes, you need the birth certificate. But what if they were born a long time ago and I don't have it?
The registrar's office in Jamaica has birth records from the 1700s.
What if I don't know where to start? 876 document is here to help Jamaicans, no matter where in the world they are, except Jamaica, apply for and receive their Jamaican documents. If you don't know where to start, or you just don't want to take it on yourself, contact 876 documents. We can assist you. I only have one copy of the birth certificate. Will I get it back? Yes. But in my 10 years working at the Jamaican consulate in New York, we always sent the document back. You can always get another birth certificate. My parent or grandparent is deceased. Can I still get the birth certificate? Yes. And can I still get the citizenship? Yes. If your parent or grandparent is deceased, you may still apply for the birth certificate. And yes, you may still apply for Jamaican citizenship by descent, whether they're alive or not. I'm going to cut this and I'm going to make another part of this video because the next question is going to require a longer answer. All right, I'm Gail of 876 Documents, and I'm going to answer 2 more questions in the next part. I thank you for watching this one.